Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching our Real Estate Insider podcast. Today we're talking about PPP loans. And can a PPP loan actually affect you for getting your home loan, your mortgage approval? And so one of the things that's happened with the pandemic is the government via the SBA has come out with a PPP loan, a payroll protection loan program. And one of the key concerns that lenders have is the impact of this PPP loan on your mortgage financing. And believe it or not, it can, in some cases, actually affect you for getting a mortgage loan. So how many of you out there are small business owners, or you work for a small business owner or a business owner that took a PPP loan? Did you know that underwriters actually kind of frown on your PPP loan if you took one out during the pandemic? In the height of the pandemic, there's been 2 rounds of PPP funding in 2020 and 2021. And basically, if you took out a PPP loan, even though it's forgivable, some lenders are not comfortable with issuing you or granting you a mortgage loan approval if you took out that loan. Now, I'll tell you with our company, some of the guidelines so you can prepare for that so your loan doesn't get denied. I've heard of lenders denying people's mortgage loan requests because they took out a PPP loan. And, I'm from the school of thought that I disagree with that because, we're going through a major, severe, scare in our country last year. And, people took money because the government's there to help people. They shouldn't be denied for a mortgage loan in the future, in my opinion. But there are a lot of banks and lenders out there that will deny you because you took the assistance. And so the reason why I'm coming to talk to you about this is because to be ready for it and to prepare yourself for the type of loan that you're getting. If you're getting a government loan like an FHA, VA, or USDA loan, it's possible. You definitely have to disclose that you took the PPP loan and then let the lender know if it was forgiven, so that way it's not counted against in your debt ratio. What you don't want to do is not disclose that you took the PPP money and then the lender files on about it in your bank statement or it came up on your credit report, your background check. So definitely disclose that you have it, and then if it was forgiven, that's great because then it doesn't have to be counted into your debt ratio. Now, on conventional loans, the PPP loan is not looked down or frowned upon as much as a federal loan. So if you're getting a conventional mortgage and you took out a PPP loan, you still should be okay. Now, if you took out an EIDL loan, which is a small business SBA loan, and you have that loan, you definitely want to, disclose that to your lender because that loan has a repayment and that will be factored into your debt ratio. So please be mindful of these things that now some lenders are not comfortable with issuing your mortgage if you took out a PPP or an SBA loan. Now with our company, we're perfectly fine with that. We don't have an issue with that with my company. But there are some lenders out there in a lot of community banks and credit unions that are not happy with it. You're gonna have to ask them about that and see. I've seen many people get their loan declined because they took out an EIDL loan or an SBA loan, PPP, and their mortgage was turned down. We're okay with it. So the bottom line, if you had a PPP loan or an EIDL, call or text our office at the number above, 832-431-6331, and we can still help you with your mortgage loan, even if you got one of these. We still love to talk to you and help you. We don't look at it as a bad thing. We look at it as a necessary thing to get you through the pandemic. But it's an important topic because I've seen a lot of people get turned down because they actually took out government assistance. And like I said, we don't agree with that school of thought. So I wanted to bring this up because a lot of people, in the last year, millions of businesses were affected by, COVID. So anyway, if we can help you, you know where to call, 832-431-6331, or you can click on the YouTube link in the description and you can actually get signed up there to get pre-approved for funding with Angelo Christian. Call or text our office. If you know anyone that took out a PPP or EIDL loan, they're having trouble getting funding for them this video, have them call our office. We're open 7 days a week for you. We lend nationwide for the last 20 years, where America goes for funding, everybody. So I definitely want to hear from you. And please, everyone, share this, give us a big thumbs up, and check out my next video. And thank you so much and have a great day.